Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, business coach. And today we are going to delve into the crucial aspect of manufacturing and supply chain management, which is production planning. When navigating the complex process of manufacturing business, it's a critical to ensure that all the operations run smoothly and efficiently. But how can we achieve this flawlessness? That's where production planning comes into play. So without further ado, let's jump into the world of production planning.
1. Understanding the concept of production planning. In simple terms, production planning is the strategic and proactive process of determining what, when, and how much to produce, considering the existing resources and market demand. Its main objective is to balance supply and demand, ensuring optimal utilization of resources while minimizing costs. 2. The significance of production planning in manufacturing. Moving on, why is production planning so crucial in manufacturing? Well, it's like the backbone of manufacturing, ensuring that each step in the production process is planned effectively to avoid delays, cost overruns, and wastage of resources. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining product quality, reducing lead time, and improving customer satisfaction. 3. Essential elements involved in production planning. This includes forecasting demand, inventory management, scheduling, and allocation of resources. Each element plays a vital role in ensuring the success of the production plan. 4. Steps involved in effective production planning. The process begins with demand forecasting, followed by resource allocation, scheduling, execution, and finally monitoring and control. Each step is crucial and requires careful consideration and management to ensure an effective and efficient production plan. 5. Technological impact on modern production planning. Technology has undeniably transformed the landscape of production planning. Modern tools and software have allowed for more accurate demand forecasting, real-time tracking, and better resource allocation. This has resulted in improved efficiency, reduced errors, and better decision-making. 6. Role of production planning in supply chain management. In the context of supply chain management, production planning is like the glue that holds everything together. It coordinates all the activities, from the procurement of raw materials to the delivery of finished goods, ensuring smooth operations and satisfying customer demand. 7. Different techniques used in production planning. There are several techniques used in production planning, each with its unique benefits. Some of the commonly used methods include material requirement planning, just-in-time, and master production scheduling. 8. Challenges faced in production planning and solutions. Like any other process, production planning also faces certain challenges, such as changing market demands, resource constraints, and technological limitations. However, with careful planning, effective use of technology, and flexible strategies, these challenges can be overcome. 9. Case study. Successful examples of production planning. To give you a real-world perspective, let's look at some successful examples of production planning. Companies like Toyota and Dell have utilized effective production planning strategies to streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. 10. Future trends in production planning, AI and machine learning. Finally, let's glimpse into the future of production planning. With advancements in AI and machine learning, we can expect more accurate demand forecasting, automated scheduling, and real-time adjustments, revolutionizing the way we plan production. In conclusion, effective production planning is vital for any manufacturing process and business. It aids in reducing waste, improving efficiency, and increasing productivity, ensuring your business is always on the right track. However, developing and implementing a successful production plan may require expert guidance. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.